Hello guys, and welcome back again with another Clash of Clans tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can get your raid medals and start using them in this section of the shop. First of all, please make sure that you are using Clash of Clans, the latest update. If you don't have it, go Google Play or App Store and write Clash of Clans and download it from there. And then if you have an account, use it and connect it to the game. If you don't have or you are a new player, just try to upgrade your Town Hall to level 4, and then after doing so, click on your brackets and use your goblins to farm as much gold as you can, because you will need about 100k gold to upgrade or fix your clan castle. This one will help you with your earning your raid medals. So after getting your goblin, getting your 100k and upgrading it, you will have two options in front of you. The first one, which is creating your own clan and inviting about 15 people, can be your friends, random people, or whatever you have in your mind. The other option, which is joining random people in their clans, which is basically just go in clan and then click on clans, and from here you can find all of these clans. You can choose whatever you like, whatever you feel like. You can even search for your friend's rank or like a popular rank, a popular clan in your brain, in your mind, and you can add options from here to search like the requirement that you want in the clan. After doing so, like if you joined a random clan, you will have to wait your leader to start a war and join a league, and you will need also to be picked to be in the league. So as you can see, I have to pick you, for example, and put you in to start, and for you to start earning the raid medals. And then, as if you were like you have your own clan and you wanted to start a league and earning the raid medals, make sure that you are having 15 people, and then join league, check this one, and then put everyone in, and then click on join league. And after you keep fighting with other people, you will be earning raid medals, and that's how, guys, you can earn it by yourself. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.